Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to show Digital Wellbeing application on our app screen in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. So first we need to go to settings. Then in settings we are looking for Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls menu. And here we have our Digital Wellbeing functions. Next, in the top right corner, these three dots, we need to tap them, and here we have our settings menu. Now, show Digital Wellbeing app on app screen. So when we enable this option, as you can see, Digital Wellbeing has been added to our app screen. Here it is. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.